Good morning everyone, welcome back to day 3 of K&D Adventures in Da Nang. And now let us head down to our Megaton Hotel Buffet Breakfast. This hotel breakfast, I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Not only they have a huge selections, they also have a lot of Asian, Vietnamese and Western dishes. From different types of salad to hot dishes and rice and noodles and bacon and sausages. Let's all grab a little bit and enjoy all these delicious items. And after eating our breakfast, it's time to head down to the lobby and meet up our driver of the day because we're going to do a day trip to Hoi An. So sit back, relax, and let us make our way to our first stop, which is the Marble Mountains. Tickets are also 20,000 Vietnamese dong per person. So let's go in and prepare to explore around. Wow, look at how massive this cave is. The Marble Mountains is a cluster of 5 marble and limestone hills located in central Da Nang area. So let us now climb up to the Stairways of Heaven. It is one of the highest peaks of the whole mountain and it has very slippery and narrow stone steps, but look at how amazing the view is. Alright, we'll see you all back down there because the roads back were so slippery. But after a long hour journey, it's time to head back to our driver's car and make our way to Hoi An. But our second stop is going to be the famous coconut boat tour. And we are so excited because this is a must-do in the area. After arranging and paying for a 1-hour tour, it's time for us to board this very cute coconut boat. Alright, let's put our hats on and head off for this adventure. And when you see the spinning boat person and you want to be part of it, you gotta pay them to be on it for around a few minutes. But I would not recommend if you have motion sickness because it does get very dizzy. As you can see along the whole experience, there were also some performance along the way. But yeah, that's pretty much our 1-hour coconut boat tour. And now it's time for us to head back to our car and make our way to Hoi An Ancient Town. The first thing we're going to do is of course head off to lunch at Com Linh restaurant. Alright, let's order some delicious Vietnamese food and dig right in. So we have got some roast duck, spring rolls, chicken rice, and of course some crispy pork belly. Very delicious, we love this place. No wonder why it was one of the top restaurants here in Hoi An. Alright, after some good lunch, it's time to explore around. Old Town Hoi An is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's a historic district which is recognized as a well-preserved example of a Southeast Asian trading port dating from the 15th to the 19th century. The buildings here and the street plan are reflecting a blend of indigenous and foreign influences. So yeah, let us cross the famous Japanese bridge and explore the other side of the Old Town. And that's pretty much it of our last day in Vietnam. Thanks for watching everyone, we will see you again soon, bye!